this is Brenda's Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is South Africa. I'll be trying a recipe for Malva pudding, so let's get started. To start our Malva pudding, I have here a cup and a quarter of all-purpose flour, one cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of baking soda, so I'm just going to blend just a little bit our dry ingredients together. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients. So right here I have half a cup of milk, two eggs, two teaspoons of vanilla, two tablespoons of melted butter, two teaspoons of white vinegar, and right here I have 4 tablespoons of apricot preserve. And I'm going to blend all the ingredients together. So when your ingredients is well combined, I have a 9x9 pan here. I sprayed it. I'm just going to add the mixture to the pan. Now I already have my oven ready preheating at 350 Fahrenheit. So this cake might take up to 20 to 35 minutes. Depends on your oven. Now it's time to make the sauce. I have my saucepan out. I'm going to have a medium heat. I'm going to melt half a cup of butter. Once your butter is well melted, you're going to add a half a cup of sugar. A half a cup of heavy cream. One teaspoon of vanilla, now I just want to stir this until it starts to boil. So you can see here it starts to boiling. So you're gonna add 1/3 a cup of water. And your sauce should be done. So my cake is done. It took about 22 minutes. So you're gonna get the sauce you made earlier and you're just gonna pour it onto the cake. And once you pour all the sauce, you want to let it sit for at least 2 hours to soak in. Now it's been an hour. You can see that the sauce has soaked it into the cake. It's now time to cut a piece. Look how beautiful. Time for the taste test. Malva pudding is so delicious. I strongly recommend trying this recipe. I thought I was not gonna like it, but it turned out so delicious. You could definitely taste the vanilla, the apricot. It's so soft. You guys have to try this recipe. And it was so easy. And like always, I see you guys on my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.